Now this area 2 months ago didn't look like this either. But now, because I've been working on it, it's looking really pretty. So I may only have this one really pretty area in my garden for the party, but it is going to look really pretty. Everything is doing so well here. Even as hot as it's been and humid, it's still looking beautiful. We'll have to wait and see how much gets done before the middle of August. And you can see some more flowers have bloomed. And these have went to seed. Hopefully, some of these will make flowers for next year. My only sad thing is they're doing worse every year. I think I'm going to have to buy some more seeds because they're my favorites and they're almost non-existent now. The yard is really looking pretty here where I have spent some time getting things cleaned up. And it will even look better next year, as long as my health holds up and see what we can put together. I'm going to throw out a lot more flower seeds next year and put on some more vegetables. Probably going to, once we get the path put in and work on it a little bit, I'll probably do some more seeds because I want to try to start working on a fall garden for this year. As you can see, they are really starting to take off. Look at all the fresh fruit I'm going to have soon. Can you believe how big and tall my sunflowers are getting? I know if they weren't planted so close together, they'd be even bigger. But you know, Grandma really doesn't care. Grandma's just happy she has something coming up and looking beautiful in the garden, even if it's not too tall. Let's go look at that flower that opened. What do you think? I know the flower isn't as big as it could be because it's gotten planted too close together with the others, but you know, it is still beautiful. Look at how beautiful it is. And because it's so small, I can actually get a good picture of it, because normally it would be over my head and I wouldn't be able to get a good picture of the face of it. Isn't it beautiful? Love sunflowers. We'll have a lot more to share here in the future because we have quite a few getting ready to open up. There's another one. Oh my gosh, Grandma is going to be in such joy.
Thank you.